profession extra income. Hello friends of Astral channel. Today you will learn about how to start to earning money with instant gift cards. Okay, in the InstaGC. So you find the link, my link on Facebook group, for example, and click on the link. So you open this page. So you can select to join with your account, Twitter, Facebook, Google, or you can create a username to get started. I will create with this to show you how the process. You can choose one account. So this is the page we will fill, right? You create a password and repeat a password. So you just to put in there your real personal contact information, and because they will match this information with your PayPal account to get you paid. Okay, if you have some difference about your personal contact information, put it here, and your personal contact information on your PayPal account, this is called name and everything else, you do not will be paid with instant gift cards. Okay, so put in your mind you do to put the same information. I will show you how this looks like. Alright, I will log in here and show you the activities. Here I will click here to show you my last payment, the online solutions. I will click here for you see the transactions, right? So they pay, but you need to have in your account here how everything is just to be identified. Okay, this name here in your PayPal account need to be exactly equal here. Okay, you need to copy this name, the same name in your PayPal account, and put in there, right? So, and you will start with a bonus, then 10 cents free. So, and you receive on your email if you use your sign up with the instant gift cards, and will be message for PayPal when you see. I made this cash out with instant gift cards. I will log in to you see. I choose to log in with Facebook because it's more quickly to finish the profile. So then you will click in your cash, right, your points, and we will click to see your last activities on Earth. As you can see, the PayPal withdrawal here, and in this is because I received this payment from day. Alright, you can earn redeem your gift card stores. You can choose, or you can redeem in other rewards. You can withdraw your money in Bitcoin, and you need zero fee but we will need the enter how many points you want to cash out here, and then you will receive this value of bitcoins in your Bitcoin wallet address. You will put here. or you can redeem your points with PayPal, right? You pay a fee of 20 points here, but it's very simple. To earn money, you click read and recommended, so you can explore these options. Click here, Peanut Labs, to see the service available like this. This is just click, answer, and be here, just simple like that. But you need to know when you create your profile here on InstaGC, okay? InstaGC, your accounts, you need to remember to put the same information. All right, you put in your PayPal account here, and you will be earning to watching video, surveys, and so much more. If you click here, trials, okay, options are here, or watching videos, okay, and you remember to create a good profile and put the same information you can put in your profiles. You can will be recommended, will put the same information in every one of those social providers, okay? Your gender or your age and something like that, because we will ask these informations several times. You need to read carefully this information on the questions, because they can trick you in screening you out of the survey, and you don't want to be paid, okay? So carefully read all the information on the service, okay? So how is the day after Tuesday? Okay, this is Wednesday. This is an example because you need to put your attention in this service, okay? And your gender, there's also your birthday date, or your mensual income or annual income. So keep these answers in mind, because you need to put this information several times on different sites and providers of service. If you need some help, or have you any difficult or question to do about how to start to earn money with Instant Gift Cards, you can let you one message to us something below, okay, in the comments, and I will be pleasure in help you with your questions. Success for all of us. Stay safe and see you later. Profession extra income.